So this is my buddy Drew, and this is his cargo trailer that he converted into a DIY travel trailer. Initial cost was what, $12,000, and you put another $5,000 into it?
We bought it about a year and a half, 2 years ago, and we weren't even looking for it at the time. We were actually looking for a camper, and we couldn't find what we wanted, so we decided to kind of do our own thing.
And today we're going to give you a full walkthrough of this travel trailer that sleeps 4 and show you all the cool things that Drew has put into it.
This trailer here is a 7,000 pound dual axle trailer, 24 feet long.
Was this originally a cargo trailer, or what did they use it for?
They ordered the trailer with the bathroom and the sink,
Okay.
and everything else was empty.
So since you have a bathroom, it came with running water tanks and all that stuff?
Yeah, when we bought it, everything from the bathroom to the sink was installed. We've done some minor adjustments, but for the most part, it's the way it came.
Do you know the tank sizes?
It's a 40-gallon freshwater
Okay.
and a 50-gallon gray water tank. It's a gray black water mixture tank.
Okay.
It doesn't separate.
So obviously there's a ramp.
Yeah.
And you put your side-by-side in there?
Whenever we go, we load up. We'll take it to like kids camps and stuff like that. We have a good time.
And do you use that as a bug screen then, and leave this as a kind of a deck?
Yeah, so it's a privacy and a bug screen, and it's got magnets on the bottom so it'll seal, and we really enjoy it.
Let's go inside and you can show us around.
Let's do it. Welcome.
Thank you. So first question is, how do you sleep in this thing?
Well, that's a great question. A lot of people ask. These are our beds. This is mine. This is my wife's. The kids have trifold mattresses underneath. They're just memory foam mattresses. Just let it go all the way down. This is the Mrs. Ladder.
All right, you two on the bed. I love it.
This is actually pretty comfortable.
Isn't it?
Yeah, these are super comfortable mattresses.
I thought so.
All right, now we got to tell everybody where you got the mattress.
Amazon.
Man.
The only thing that we did have to do, we had to trim these up because it was just tall.
Okay.
And the only reason that they're that tall is because of the wheel wells. Yeah, so my wife accidentally bought my son some stainless steel ninja swords. And that's what I used to trim up these sweet mattresses.
So you have lights in here.
We have lights.
AC.
The AC was not there. We found this little thing here on the old interweb. There's no battery. There's only a battery for the breakaway.
Okay.
Brakes, but that's it. We don't have anything else. It's just a 30 amp plug on it.
Then you don't even need an inverter. Everything just runs off the 30 amp.
Correct.
Perfect. So storage underneath both beds.
Yeah, these are our garages, I guess we call them. This one here is kind of like the everything.
Mm-hmm.
Floor mats, bungees, games, that kind of stuff. Blankets. All that in here. Dog stuff is in these. We got our little shelves on the side to hold all of our little knickknacks and things that are easy to find.
Now, did you build all this, or did you repurpose furniture you found?
Well, the cabinets, we got those from a box store along with the wood, and I just framed it out and. And I take this. Right in there. Nice. Yeah, I'm telling you.
So much room for activities in here. All the stuff we could do. A little dance party.
My Uncle Side dance.
So that was the living area. Now, kind of tell us about the kitchen. And I'm assuming these are the mattresses you were referring to earlier.
Yeah, this is the best place to store them. After, especially while just traveling, but during the day, we usually leave this bed down, and we'll just kind of stuff those underneath there.
Okay.
Just during the daytime, because obviously when you're camping, we're spending most of our time outside. So
you've got a refrigerator, I see.
We've got an old college refrigerator, so it's got its bruises.
Kitchen counter.
kitchen counter. The great thing about this is if we ever need to, obviously we can just take it right outside. When we pull the side-by-side in, I have to pull this out and up so that it comes all the way up to here.
Okay.
Just so I need that extra. There's a clip under the floor there, and there's clips on the back where I can tie it down.
Got it. Now, do you do any cooking inside, or do you mostly like barbecue and that when you go out?
Yeah, we don't have anything to cook in. The only thing we have is an Instapot.
And then this sink here looks like it was built, this was part of the trailer when you bought it.
Yes, sir. That was part of the trailer, and this wall right here, that was the partition. This wasn't here. So inside there is the bathroom.
Got it. So more storage here.
Yeah, this is our pantry and all of our storage for cups and cutting boards and spoons, knives, all that stuff.
Now, I noticed you don't have any latches on these. Do you ever
Nope.
have problems with them coming open?
They have not opened up once.
That is shocking.
Believe me, I thought this was a mess up. We haven't fixed it, and we're leaving it. It's my custom. It's my custom hole for, you know.
I like it. That looks like it's it for in here. Let's go check out the bathroom.
Yeah, just set it on top. It'll hold it.
There we go.
So in here, this here has been replaced. We went ahead and put a fan in here. Before it was just the lid, just a vent. We just actually installed these shelves. Before there was nothing in here, so it was kind of, storage was a big thing for us and trying to figure it out. And this is just the beginning for us. We have extra shelves, so if we need to make changes, we can do that. Over here is kind of our shoe rack, laundry room, and the toilet. So behind me is just more storage in here. Dog bed for when we bring the dogs, and in here is usually like where we'll tuck their food, just to get it out of the way.
Okay, and then shower.
Yep, and then the shower here. It's actually a pretty spacious shower because even when I'm in it, you know, I'm a big guy and I still have plenty of room in here. So
That is actually surprisingly big.
yeah, it functions very well. So we've actually never ran out of water yet. So down in here, now this, again, this all here was from the factory. In here is our panel. Also behind here, like right in the middle, this is our hot water tank. And in the back is our storage tank. And this is obviously used as kind of another garage for, you know, anything we may need.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, that was a highlight.
When you were designing this and you built everything, what were some of the requirements?
We kept the side-by-side in mind. We wanted to keep the cabinets narrow, and we knew that the beds would, mattress would fit in there. So when we laid it out, I'd say we just kind of went with it. We kind of wung it. My wife put together a couple good ideas, and you know, I threw a couple in there, and this is kind of what we came up with.
Well, I remember her telling me that one of the things she wanted in a bathroom was that her knees weren't hitting the wall when she sat on the toilet.
Yeah, that's one of them. I mean, that's important.
Yeah.
You got to be comfortable.
Do you have any things that you would do differently that if you went through and redid this, or you were getting another trailer?
If I was getting another trailer, I would probably get a gooseneck.
Okay.
Or just another one of these with a taller roof on it. Because what I would do is, instead of having the beds fold down from the side, is I'd put it on a lift so that the bed would just hide away on the ceiling.
Okay. So then you could walk underneath it?
You could walk underneath of it, you'd still be able to pull the side-by-side in, and when it's ready to go to bed, you hit a switch and it comes down and you're done.
Nice. So you think you'll build another one, or do you think you'd buy a manufactured unit next?
You know, we've talked about it. We've actually went camper hunting, I guess you call it, and we just keep coming back to this. It just, I don't know, kind of has a pull to us. We both really enjoy the outdoors, and our kids, for the moment, enjoy it too. So,
And someone who's looking to do this themselves that might be watching this, what suggestions or learnings have you had that you would pass on to someone else?
You know, we did a lot of. I'm a visual guy, so visual stuff. I have to look, kind of get inspiration for stuff. So YouTube was a big thing that we watched all the time, just to kind of pull stuff in. And carpentry's kind of been in my background for a little while. I'm not an expert, but you know, I know just enough to be bad.
Yeah, I mean, when we met you at the campground, this was very functional. And it was nice because you guys had the heat running. We could come in here, use the bathroom, all that stuff. And it was just, there's nothing in here that you were really wanting for that you didn't have.
Yeah, the only thing that concerned us was the winter time, or when it was cold out, because that doesn't have heat in it. So we actually bought it's our little fireplace, and it's corny, but it really does a great job. So
Yeah, it was toasty in here.
It was really surprising.
And is there insulation in the walls?
All it is that that bubble wrap insulation. That's all that's in there.
You know, there's a lot of room for activities in there.
There is. You know, that was the kind of the thought behind there. I think we just became best friends.
We did. All right, well, that's the trailer. Tell us about this awesome truck that you're towing it with.
This is a 2019 F-150 XLT. It doesn't have all the fancy stuff, but it's a good functional truck.
And you've got the EcoBoost in here?
It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost with the 355 electronic locking rear end, and plenty of power.
All right, so that's pretty much it. We've got the truck, we've got the trailer. This DIY travel trailer they built for well under $20,000. It sleeps 4, plus a dog.
Plus 2 dogs.
2 dogs. And I'm sure if you wanted to, you could fit more people in there if you wanted.
We can.
Nice. So that's it. Pretty simple. It's functional, has everything you need. And that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please say hello to Drew down in the comments below. If you want to see more cool content, head on over to our website at we'retherussos.com. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.